life. That's my point of view. When I'm on this ride with you, you wanna caress my heart right from the start.
What's up, it's your girl LA. I know it's been a long while, but I'm back and I'm coming here with a cooking video. We're going to be making fresh tilapia. Get into it. So I want to rinse it off, make sure it's clean. A good way to make sure that it's fresh. First you want to smell your fish to make sure it doesn't stink, okay? So make sure it doesn't stink. We want to rinse it real good. We want to open up the mouth. Just kidding. Alright, we're going to rinse it real good. Now, a good way to know that it's fresh is when you open up the gills, okay? It should be pink. That is pink, okay? That is pink, and it is fishy, but not a foul fishy. Actually, it's kind of mild fish. It's a fresh tilapia. Okay, get it up. Don't do that. Alright, and then I'm going to season it. I want like a smoke flavoring. Oh, get it up. Oh, the eyes should not look cloudy either. The eyes should not look cloudy. Back it up. So I'm going to put some mesquite Weber's seasoning on it because I want a smoke flavor with it. Aaliyah. Sire up. I need good visual. Okay. And then I'm going to use some jerk seasoning because I want it to have like a jerk flavor as well. Garlic seasoning. Alright. What else? Do I want crushed peppers on here? I want crushed peppers. Because I like
Oh, I thought that
spice.
was crushed peppers.
Alright, now I'm cutting up cabbage. We're going to have cabbage. Alright, so I believe this is chopped. Next, I'm going to be using vegetable bouillon cubes for the cabbage. I'm going to put two in here because it's not a whole lot. So two's going to be good. It's going to be the broth. And I'm going to use olive oil. Use it right there. I'm going to use a little vegetable oil because I don't like to use butters and fat and greasy. Alright, we're going to add a little water because we don't need that much water for the cabbage because cabbage got a little water. So a little water. I'm going to season the pan. Garlic salt.
Wait, I gotta focus on something.
Garlic salt. No, just get it. You don't have to focus in. You're going to make my video wrong. I like red pepper.
It was blurry.
I'm going to use some Creole seasoning. Tony's Creole seasoning. A little of that. And then, what else? Oh, fresh pepper. What did I do? Okay. And the fresh pepper. Might get a less spice. Alright, I'm going to put that on the stove and let it cook. And we'll be back. Put the cabbage in. I'm going to add yellow bell pepper and green. 1 onion. We'll be back for that. I'm going to add garlic as well. We'll be back. Alright, so I have the bell pepper and onions chopped up. Come in here. I already started steaming. Fish looking good with the fish. Alright. And then we're going to let this steam cook on down. And I'm going to put a lid on it. Alright, we are back. Coming on the fish. Still cooking. The cabbage is almost done. A little crunchy. Have a little freshness to it, but soft and chewable. Some leftover sweet potatoes that I made. Homemade sweet potatoes, okay? So I'm going to be plating that with the food. Once this is done, it's almost ready. It's time for us to take this fish out, okay? Let's see. Wait a minute. She's a fighter. Okay, she is a fighter. So we're gonna get her out because she's not gonna win with me. I want to make sure all that grease gets drained out. Look at that.
Where's the eye?
It's covered up in the batter. I seasoned it right here. See? Come down. All right, so here we go. Now I'm about to put it up with the cabbage because it's done. You got it?
Yeah.
Alright. And then we're about to do sweet potatoes. Remember, these are leftovers. It's actually leftover from Sunday for Easter. Easter just passed.
Save that juice.
Janiyah, chill. Alright, and there you have it. Your girl LA did her thing. Hello. So look, if this is your first time to my channel, please make sure you subscribe, comment, like, share, let your loved ones know about this channel. We're going to be doing more vlogs, some pranks, you name it. Alright, I'm about to get ready to eat. Okay guys, yeah, I forgot I had leftover cornbread muffins that I made too on Sunday. So this is the meal. I'm gonna have Zariah sample a little bit of it.
I want to taste
the
the
reason
fish.
why I made this tilapia fish fry because I wanted a Caribbean feel but fried. So I did do the steamed cabbage as well as the sweet potatoes and corn muffin. Let's taste that. It is healthy. Well, I didn't use no. Oh, it's spicy. Let's get to this bed.
That look good.
I'm doing a YouTube tutorial. Dang.
Ooh,
It's quarantine. See how they bagging and stuff? God.
that look
Can't even do a tutorial
good.
while we quarantining.
Make me that tomorrow.
No. Hold on. Huh. It's better than it. I'm sorry. I ain't too long.
Is it better than the
It's better than going to any Caribbean restaurant I've been to. I flavored this, baby. Anyway, if y'all like what y'all see, be sure to comment. If you're gonna make this, let me know. Tag me in your video so I can see how it came out. But good as fuck. I'm gonna let Zariah come stuff.
I want to taste some.
Mama, can you make my own?
I see the mouse still.
I forgot those got bones in it. Got
Mommy.
more bones than anything.
Mommy.
Don't forget it got bones in it, right?
Yeah,
So
be
don't
careful.
swallow it.
Be careful.
Give me some.
Wait.
No, I was talking about that.
Get your Zariah. I want her to her reaction. You like it?
You gonna make this one?
You like it? Yeah. She likes it, so it's a win. We will see y'all later. It approved. It's good, Zariah. Is it boy go?
Riding roller coasters real slow. Riding roller coasters real slow. That's my metaphor to life. That is how I see life. That's my point.